January 25th, 2021 focus question. Devin kept track of his math test for a total of 5 weeks. He scored the following percentages on his tests. Find the mode of the given data. So we're going to find the mode. So remember, the mode means most. So what I like to do is put them in order. So let's see, the smallest, he has a 50%. Then he has a 75%. Then an 80%. And then an 85%. And then a 95%. Alright, so what is the mode, or the number we see the most? Do we see anything the most? Do we see anything that there's the most of? No, I only see them one time. So in this case, we just put no mode. You can write no mode. There can be no mode. So in this case, there is no mode. So that's all you write. Just write no mode. And that is going to be it. Great job.